Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So this is going to be part 3 of gravity fed sluice box. Okay, so a slight change from last day. When I was setting up sluice the last day, what had happened was I noticed that what I was standing in was getting deeper and deeper. A perfect place to catch gold. Bedrock, bedrock, bedrock on all 4 corners. So we're just going to dig down, sucker tube down manually, get that whole thing completely cleared off. So what I'm going to do now is going to set up sluice box downstream, clean out that bottom hole, plan now, set up the sluice box and run this material. Happy days. Let's just crack out with it. Let's go find the shiny. With a normal sluice box, what you would do is you would build a dam here. As you classify, you throw it in tailings. This is stream mat, you don't classify. You can see where I have a lovely V in the middle, hitting that bolt. I'm going to use a sucker tube and just dump a few loads in here, see how it gets on. That's not bad at all. Right, so just got a quick recharge of energy. I'm going to set aside 50 shovels and 50 sucker draws. Let's make life as simple as possible, yet run as much gravel as possible. That's always been the aim. This box, just barely legal. Let's get all the gold we can. Less talking, more digging, and just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, just taking out a fast frame for a minute because I'm having to clear the tailing. I ran 10 sucker draws and 4 shovels. I'll show you now why I've had to stop. So this is why I had to stop. I have to pull the tailings away every now and then. Right, what I'm going to do now is going to put some dirt through the box. At the end of it, I'll be able to show you volume was running at a particular time frame. So this is shovel number 5. Shovels in total, 3 just there now. What I'm going to do now is do some sucker tubing. Straight onto a sluice box, no classification needed whatsoever. Just going to do a quick test pan. Just want to make sure that there's no gold in the pan first of all. So obviously what we do is just wash it, slosh it around. Forget to put on gloves, very important. Get into those grooves where the gold is going to get caught and rinse her off and we're done. The area I want to take a test out of is the area I'm standing on. So I'll just take a quick draw of material here. Captain Clever Clogs just happened to forget the head mount today. Do you ever get the feeling someone's watching you? Get some material, we'll go over and pan it. Ah, that's nice and deep, yeah, I like that. I'm going to draw it a few times. Twist and lift. You can see where the water and the gravel stays in the sucker tube. Okay, so we have it ready to go. All we'll do now is just clear the classifier. See this? This marbling, looks like a marble floor. I've said it a bazillion times, this is always very good for gold. Again, you've seen panning before, very simple. These pans only have 2 riffles, my tour ones have about 3. Wash away the front riffle, pick it up again, spin around, bring it to the front. I'm doing this quite fast because I'm just sampling. Okay, no gold in that one, that's unfortunate. So the question now is, do I continue shoveling straight into the sluice box on ground that I know has no gold in it? Probably not. So what I'm going to do is going to pause this scene now, pop the camera underwater, and then afterwards I'll review the scene and see if I can find little pockets. So look, that's the plan. We haven't found any gold yet, but I think that's the obvious one. I'll put the camera underwater and just see how we go. Let's go find something resembling shiny on bedrock and put it through that massive sluice box. Can eat gravel all day long. Let's go find the shiny. All right, we're going to take a trip underwater now. Right, let's see if we can try and trace the bedrock. We're going down. All right, so this is the section that I've been sucker tubing out of. It's also the same wall where the sluice box is sitting. This is all the gravel that I've been working. So now we come along to this section here, which is clearly bedrock walls. Oh, that I can see. That's shallow enough underwater. I can see that all right. That looks really nice. So if we come back over here, see a lot of this bedrock material. It's right there. Then it drops down. Maybe that's where we should be working. Because if you compare that bedrock material, let's come back over here to this one. Although look, there is a bit of a shelf there. You know what? I think that spot right there, that needs to be my next sucker draw position. Right, I'm going to take the camera out of the water now in a second, and then I'm going to see the footage for myself, and then we'll figure out where we're going from there. I'll review the footage now, and I'll come back to you in a second, see where we're at. Let's go find some shiny underwater. Okay, well that's interesting. We don't have as much marbling, or as much gravel for that matter, but we are right up against the bedrock, so who knows? Let's just see what's in here. Not a whole lot of big stones there. Alright, let's have a quick look together. All I'll do is just bump off the hand several times. Yeah, right up against bedrock, lots of iron there, which is good. On a lead shot, but no gold. Okay, well that's unfortunate. I didn't find any gold in the pan. So what I'm going to do now is clean out the box, see is there any gold in it. If there's gold in it, happy days. Let's just crack on with that. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so time to clean out the sluice box. Okay, so I'm up at the spot we're going to do the panning. Okay, so this is all the dirt that we have on the dream mat. Not like test panning where you fly through it. I very gently work this down. So as I work it, I'll pull all the big rocks back, give them a quick rinse off before I throw them out. Bring everything towards front, stop, tip out all the water. I can see a good bit of black sand in there, which is good. Right, let's have a look together. See how we're getting on. Dream mat has yet to let me down. And it's a big fat 0 on that one. Okay, so that's unfortunate. Absolutely no gold in there whatsoever. No gold in the test pan, no gold in the clean out of the sluice box. Right, so we're going to wrap it up there for today. Right, going to wrap it up there for today as part 3 of gravity fed sluice box. Part 4 will be tomorrow. It'll probably be filmed today. It'll be out tomorrow, 8 PM GMT. So stick around for that. Hope you like these videos. If you do like these videos, make sure and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And sure, catch you next one. We can all go find more shiny. See you tomorrow, 8 PM GMT. Bye bye.